Our journey starts in the deep Indonesian forest. This is where Xiao Niao built its first farm. Xiao Niao farms are located only in the greenest and most pristine areas, even many of which are located near Indonesia's heavy rainforest. Sometimes, the locations of these farms are only reachable by boat. These areas produce the most natural bird's nests that are free from pollution. Here, human settlements are hard to be found, but swiftlet population thrives. Our farms implement biosafety procedure to ensure optimal environment for the bird's health. Healthier birds produce more nutritious nests. Our company is the biggest bird's nest producer in Indonesia. Harvesting periods are scheduled carefully to maximize nutrition and minimize unwanted substances like nitrite. Nest quality is already filtered right from harvest. Nests placed in the red bucket are considered as defective and will not be further processed.
Sarang ini baru kita panen dari dalam rumah. Ini contoh sarang yang terbaik dari sarang burung musim ini. Menurut penelitian yang ada, sarang yang kualitas yang bagus selalu mempunyai efektivitas yang lebih bagus untuk kesehatan manusia. Untuk mencapai tujuan itu tidak gampang. Kita harus mempunyai suatu integrated system secara menyeluruh. Mulai dari penentuan rumah burung yang terletak di daerah yang sangat subur, bebas polusi, jauh dari perkotaan, di situ burung memproduksi sarang yang terbaik. Dan sistem budidaya yang tepat dan efektif. Selanjutnya, sarang akan kita proses secara alami. Tidak ada tambahan bahan-bahan kimia yang lain, kecuali hanya menggunakan air. Dengan menerapkan integrated system dan kontrol yang sangat ketat, kami menjamin produk kami adalah produk yang berkualitas.
From farms, the journey continues to the processing factory. Hygiene and sanitation in the factory are very important to ensure cleanliness of product. When entering processing factory, bird's nests are categorized. Only the best quality material will be exported to China. Raw material with excellent quality will generate a much better product. Xiao Niao implements 100% natural cleaning method, so the product is 100% pure. We use processing method that preserves bird's nest original form because excessive processing will lose bird's nest nutrition. Our cleanliness standard is among the highest in the industry. Strict grading process is performed based on product size, shape, color, and surface. Product consistency is important to us. Heating treatment is applied to sterilize the bird nest from virus and bacteria. Product then enters sterilized packaging area. Following the packaging process, products are barcoded and registered in the company database. Every treatment in bird's nest journey is documented, allowing accurate product traceability and effective product safety supervision. Quality is our priority, and our processing center has its own in-house laboratory to support this. Laboratory testing like nitrite tests are conducted every day, ensuring all nests are in excellent quality when exported. Our processing center is awarded with many food safety certificates by various countries and independent international bodies. The combination of exceptional farming practices and natural processing method will result in superior products that are higher in its enzyme, vitamin, and mineral. Since the early 1990s, Xiao product has been well received internationally. The market growth and demand is a testimony of customers' trust given to us. In 2015, bird's nest product is allowed to be exported to China. Our company, with registration number 001, pioneers to enter the China market. Product specifications such as grades, weight, and expiration date can be found when QR code is scanned. Our company has always focused on creating the top quality nest in the market through consistent innovations and scientifically precise approaches. Through the company's tradition, Xiao aims to maintain its leading position in the bird's nest market.